Now using terminal operation, let us find the minimum element or maximum element from a list of integers. Okay, so for that, let me create a class stream mean max example. Let's say we have this class. Let us create the main method. Just type main, it will create automatically. Let's take arrays dot as list. Let's take 5, 7, 9, 3 and 2. Store into a local variable. These are the numbers. Okay, now we have to take minimum and maximum using the terminal operation. So let's go with minimum element. So basically, again in the collectors class we have the method minBy. That's what we are going to use, and also we have a method maxBy to get the maximum. So numbers dot stream dot collectors dot minBy. Now what this take minBy, if I go inside, it takes a comparator. Okay, so now we have to pass comparator, and then we have to pass basically this natural order to make it in ascending order. Okay, then store into a variable. This is our mean sout mean. Since it has returned an optional, we should call get, otherwise it will give optional of that minimum value, optional of 2 it will return, right? Let me save and run. Now it should return 2. All right, because we have called this get method. So this is how we can call this collectors.minBy, and the hint is go inside this. See, whenever we are returning max, mean or something, there has to be a comparator passed within that to do the comparison, right? That's why we have to pass this comparator, and this natural order is it is going to keep the element in ascending order. Okay, go for max. Again for this numbers dot stream, then collectors dot, and here it is going to be maxBy, and within that we have comparator dot natural order. Store into a local variable. This is our max. So let me store into a local variable max, and then sout max. Again this is an optional, so we should get this, call this get method. If I run this, we should get the maximum, right? So this is how we should be using this minBy and maxBy from the collectors. Now if you see, there are a lot of methods, so try exploring that. Okay, the useful ones I am of course covering. So collectors dot, if you see, averaging int already we have discussed, toSet we have already discussed, summing int to again get the sum of all the integers, grouping by, counting, these are maximum we have already discussed. This partition by, grouping by we will be discussing in the upcoming videos. Okay, so there are a lot of things we have already discussed in this. Okay, there will be few more. I mean, you can explore them again. They are not that important. The important ones I am already covering. So it's a very big library, right? Stream is a very big library, but still I will try to cover as much I can in this course. Okay, most of the important ones are covered. So if you are able to cover this course in proper way, then I think this should be very much enough for the project perspective and definitely for the interview perspective. Okay.